Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Thogoto, where we have one of the oldest churches in Kenya and Africa. And here we have some information about this church. Now, after showing you one of the oldest church, now I have to show you the Thogoto town itself, one of the lenient town. It is located along the road. It's not even a town. It's a market, slow-growing market, but one of the oldest market in Kenya. Let's explore the town itself. After finishing touring the town, let me show you the general view of the said town, Thogoto Town. Is it a town or a market? Because we don't have many amenities there. Despite being a small town, it has a very good place where people come and rest in the evenings most of the time. Let me go and rest with them. You see, this is a place where people came and rest. It's a public place. Most people after job always come here to take some rest and enjoy themselves. It is time for me now to take a rest and enjoy some good sceneries here. You see, people come here always, all the day after a long day, they come here to rest and enjoy. It is like a picnic point where people come, families, old, young, all of them come and rest here. That's the best, that's the beautiful thing about this town. It's a beautiful resting point where nobody can bother you. The rich, poor, time to enjoy yourself. Wakupigia mwili pole. That's the good thing about it. And most of people who are bored staying alone come here to interact with the rest of others, making new friends. Those who are single also, they can find their partners here. It is good to find a love, because love is the most beautiful thing that God has ever created for us to enjoy. Yep. So Thogoto is the smallest town. It is growing, though it is growing very slowly. I don't know, it's because of lack of land or people are not eager enough to invest here. I don't know. Maybe it's that, but it's the best place. It's a historical place because I learned it in primary school. I think so. About the missionaries who came here, and the church that I already shown you was built in 1909 here. So it should be growing to be. It has to be a very big town, but I don't know why it is still small. Or most people go and invest in Nairobi only. Also, we have here many amenities that may encourage a lot of development, like universities. Nairobi University, Kikuyu campus is here. By Presbyterian University is here. And also we have healthcare, all hospitals are within. So I don't know why people are not investing here. We have a very good roads, like bypass is near there. Anyways, it will be big one day. I think so. Let us hope so and pray for it to develop. Anyways, thank you for staying with me all this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Please comment so that YouTube can push this video to the larger audience. Please, I beg.